check out that bad boy. Man, this thing was pulled out front last week. I was hoping it would still be out there. SCA Performance. Man, look at that thing. Those wheels. I mean, those things are so deep. Pretty sharp, man. Got some Toyo open country. Good looking lifted truck. The Black Widow. Man, I wish it was still sitting out front so we could get the good stand back look. Got the SCA badging, black tips, powder coated black tips. Looks nice. I can't decide about the fender flares. I mean, I guess they're okay. Not my favorite. Oh yeah, this is leather. This one's unlocked. I mean, this one's locked. Let's see. $83,402. Wow. Let's see. The truck is $56,795, and then this Black Widow package is $24,612 for a total of $81,407. Oh, and then they add their BS dealer stuff on there to get $2 more grand. Yeah. I'll never get $83,000 for this. It's got the 5.7. Yeah, 5.7 Hemi. Yeah, it's the 5.7 Hemi. Like those step rails there. Look good. Sharp looking truck, man. It sure is. It's got your tie down system back here, which is really nice. And the Rhino liner. Good looking truck. I like it. Sharp.